Hello guys, this is another one. I'm coming for you again. I'm teaching you today how you will use melon pin, like melon. You know melon, that's egusi, like the p, the back of melon pin. How you can use to make money drawing oil or money drawing perfume, whatever you're going to call it. And this is not anything that was given to me physically. This is something that was revealed to me spiritually. And it's not anybody that taught me, but it was taught to me from the spiritual realm. Okay, guys, if you find this helpful, do well to hit the like button. Okay, let's take a little break. I was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. It's still your guy, your friend, your mentor, the seer. I'm here to teach you another one that you've never seen before. Yes, another one you've never seen before. So if this is what I'm going to teach you, ever seen any place, they can call me a liar that truly this was a review to me, okay? And something came up that made this to come to my mind. There was somebody that called me. I was asking me for he need a very powerful this that is supposed to do and the thing that work very well that can bring money with this short time that will make him very, very rich. Immediately the person said it to me. Immediately I received a revelation about this particular thing I'm going to teach you today. And this revelation came from where I least expected, and it's not something I will doubt because I know where it is coming from. Guys, before I go there, I like teaching you some tricks. I like teaching you some spiritual tips you don't know. Today, I'm going to teach another one. Please don't ever match melon pay. Yes, matching melon pay is no. It's like you are matching your money. Okay, you might not be able to know how you spend your money. Some people when you try to teach them things based on your spiritual level, they tell me supernatural. The occult, they have no bigger power or ever stronger power. They only know the secret of the universe. That's why they go and check the meaning of occult. Okay, knowledge. They know a lot of knowledge in the spiritual realm. That's why they can manipulate things to fit whatever they want to do. They make use of Bible, they make use of Quran. They read verses that will suit whatever they want to do. So try to know the knowledge I'm teaching you. Just like when someone try to educate you, some people on a spiritual level they tell me supernatural. But when someone should come and educate you on physical level that if you add this chemical is going to give you this chemical, you will believe. But on a spiritual level, you must doubt. Okay, do well not to match. And secondly, don't cross broom. Yes, if you are the type of person you normally would cross the broom before, it is not good. It brings bad luck. Yes, crossing broom bring bad luck. Okay, at any time you are going to a particular place and you see a black cat run across the road, please turn back, don't go to that place. Or maybe you are going to a particular place, you hit your left leg, turn back. Your guardian agent is telling you should not go that place. If you hit your left leg, turn back. If you hit your right leg, good thing is waiting for you there. So go there as fast as possible. Okay, these are little tricks I will give you today. So wait for more in the next video. Let's come to today's class. I'm going to teach you how you can use the melopin to attract money. Yes, melopin and perfume. Any perfume of your choice is good to do. Get melopin now. Any perfume of your choice, any type of perfume you're using at all. Okay, any perfume of your choice will do. Okay, if you are doing this, I will advise you use any perfume that like that will last for you, the one that have much inside. Or better still, me, I will suggest, as any perfume will do, but me, I will suggest you get 6 flower set. Yes, I will suggest you get 6 flower set for this particular one. Come on, guys, what are you still waiting for? Hit that subscription button and turn off the notification bell so that you will never miss any of my video again. And do well to hit the like button to tell me at least work well done, and may the universe bless you for liking the video. Oh, guys, after you have gotten your 6 flower set, you've got your melopy, any quantity you want, any quantity you get is okay. After you have gotten the melopy, go and bury it. Yes, that's after you have gotten the melopin, dig a place where you can get access to it again. So you can just get something like white cloth. Yes, white cloth. Then add little native chop to it there. Then add the highest denominator of money. Yes, I mean the highest denominator of money. So the highest denominator of money in your country. In Nigeria, the highest is 1,000 naira note. So get 1,000 naira note. add the 1,000 naira note to it, add the 1,000 naira note to it, then add a little native chalk, that is also native chalk to it. So leave it there for 3 days or 7 days. Then the third day or the 7 days, then go and remove it. Okay, go and remove it. Then go and remove it. Then that money that you added to it, the money will be wet. So make the money dry. Then go and dash it out to a beggar. Then the melon pin, put them in any container you want. They add the 6 flower set to it. Yes, add the 6 flower set to it. Keep it there. Then the next day, start using it. You'll be using it to rub your hand. Yes, be using it to rub your hand. You see anything you put your hand, money will just be coming from even for where you least expected. Try this, guys, and get back to me. I want to see testimony. I want to see testimony. Some of you, once you do something and it work for you, the next thing you will message me on WhatsApp. Yes, I did it. It worked for me. Come on, be putting it on the comment section so that others can also see that yes, it worked. So that they will have no doubt. I also try it as well. Okay, you have nothing to lose to try this. And it is not something that you spend more money on. Do this and get back to me. If it work for you, come on. If you're on my WhatsApp group, come on. Appreciate me, no. Just let the charge card we do. Just kidding. I'm not begging. Okay, so what are you waiting for? If you want to join my WhatsApp group, so if you want to join my WhatsApp group, comment in the comment section. I want to join your group. I will definitely add you for free.